Today, we're reviewing and comparing 10 top-rated mattress vacuum cleaners, all featuring UVC light, HEPA filtration, and high suction power.
As always, all the links to all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description down below. We always keep the description up to date with information we might not get a chance to mention in this video. We also update the description down below with links to find the best price on each product. So for the most up-to-date information along with updated pricing, be sure to check out that description.
First up is the FEPPO Mattress Vacuum Cleaner. Weighing only 1 pound, this compact cleaner packs a punch with 16 kPa suction, UVC light at 253.7 nm, and ultrasonic waves to eliminate up to 99.9% of allergens. It also uses 140 degrees Fahrenheit dry heat to kill mites and bacteria and features dual dust cups with a HEPA filter that captures particles down to 0.3 microns. Safety first, the UV light only activates when the device touches a surface, and the roller brush includes a lock protection feature if it gets stuck in fabric. Next is the JPHYLL Mattress Vacuum, featuring the same 16 kPa suction and UV plus ultrasonic combo, but adds a widened suction port and 5-in-1 tech, UV, ultrasonic, heat, suction, and brushroll spinning at 30,000 RPM. It weighs about 3.8 pounds, so still manageable, and comes with 2 removable dust cups and a spare HEPA filter. If you want something well-built and long-lasting, JPHYLL claims up to 10 years of use. This could be your go-to. Tech lovers, meet the JIGOO J300. It steps up the game with a dust sensor that shows how dirty your mattress is. Yes, really, and tells you when it's fully clean. Suction is slightly lower at 13 kPa, but still powered by a 500 watts motor. It uses 245 nm UV light, ultrasonic tech, and 130 degrees Fahrenheit heat, all with automatic cutoffs when lifted. If you're a detail-oriented cleaner who wants smart feedback, this one's for you.
What can you say about our first 2 products? If you have comments or questions, then just leave them in the comments section, and we will attend to them immediately. There are more products on our list, so you will still have more choices to come. If you are not yet a subscriber of our channel, then please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press on the bell icon to get an instant notification of when I upload a new video. Now let's continue.
The VOCESOR is another powerful option, offering 600 watts motor power and 16 kPa suction, the highest in this group. It uses 253.7 nm UVC light, 40 kHz ultrasound, and 140 degrees Fahrenheit dry heating, with the usual gravity sensor for UV safety. It's well suited for dust, pet hair, and allergen removal, and also includes short circuit and overheating protection. We have the Mzani JV35, slightly heavier at 7.9 pounds, but also packed with power. It delivers 14 kPa suction, UVC at 254 nm, and 140 degrees Fahrenheit heat, along with dual cyclone filtration for dust and hair separation. It's engineered for heavy-duty use, ideal for larger households or pet owners. and it features a wide 240mm suction port to cover more area quickly. The Ranvoom Mattress Vacuum brings serious tech to the table. 35 kPa dual suction, UVC light, ultrasonic tech, and 149 degrees Fahrenheit heating. This 6-in-1 powerhouse also includes a double brush tapping system at 12.8 k beats per minute and a 6-stage HEPA filter with negative ions for air purification. Plus, with its AI chip, it adapts suction based on the fabric you're cleaning, mattress, couch, or carpet. It's corded, handheld, and backed by a 10-year warranty. Looking for something lightweight and simple? The Hurse vacuum weighs just 1 pound, but offers 16 kPa suction with 12,800 vibrations per minute and a 253.7 nm UV light. It's got a HEPA filter in a 500 milliliters dust box, great for daily cleaning. It's corded, super compact, and budget-friendly, but misses out on heating or advanced air purification. The Mzani 5-in-1 cordless cleaner is portable, stylish, and smart. It offers 16 kPa suction, UVC light, ultrasonic cleaning, and even monitors ambient humidity. With 2 cleaning gears and a washable HEPA filter, this vacuum is great for touch-ups anywhere in the house. No cords, no fuss. With cordless convenience and a powerful 5-in-1 cleaning system, the Mzani offers the ultimate freedom to clean any room in your home with ease. Need something with muscle? The Airpher vacuum delivers 16 kPa suction with a wild 40,800 RPM beating system, plus 150 degrees Fahrenheit heating and 253.7 nm UV light. At 4.45 pounds, it's a bit heavier, but with a dual dust cup system and serious cleaning firepower, it's made for deep sanitizing your bedding and upholstery. Equipped with high-temperature heating and advanced beating technology, the Airpher is perfect for deep sanitizing and eliminating hidden dirt and allergens. Last but not least, the Dixo keeps things simple yet powerful with 500 watts suction, 140 degrees Fahrenheit airflow, and bright lighting for spotting hidden dust. It uses a HEPA filter with 3-stage filtration and weighs just 1.5 pounds. It doesn't have vibration or ultrasonic features, but it's solid for quick, visible results. With its bright light and 140 degrees Fahrenheit drying airflow, the Dixo lets you target and eliminate even the most stubborn dust and pet hair, even in low-light areas. So, which one suits your needs best? Drop a comment below. And if this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more smart cleaning reviews.